How to change Google Play payment account ID. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to change the payment account and app purchase email in the Play Store, when you try to make a purchase in an app, the Play Store may prompt you to use a specific email address for the transaction. And in order to change this, you need to go to your device settings. Then after, go to user and accounts. Tap on manage account option. Now you can choose Google, and if you have multiple Gmail addresses logged in, select the one that appears during the payment transaction. Tap on remove account. Don't worry, you can add it back later. And then go to Play Store, tap on the profile in the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on add another account and select Google and add the account you just removed. Now when you make a purchase in the app, the email address should be updated. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.